Optimism's latest news and developments and price predictions on the OP token at the end of this video, but we're going to go over this article by A&B Crypto that states Optimism might see OP go higher after these developments. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, be sure to smash the like button, get the YouTube algorithm working for the OP token. We got Optimism. The layer 2 scaling solution is one that was hit by the massive bear wave over the last weekend. However, that is not all that may be in store. Optimism may be on the verge of a breakthrough after the release of some major updates. As per a tweet published by OP Labs, the organization introduced its transaction system called Drippy. With the launch of Drippy, Optimism aims to address automation problems with on-chain activity. Drippy is a quote trust minimized Ethereum native conditional transaction system, unquote, as per the organization. It is also similar to a Web 2.0 service called If This Then That, ITTT, which allows executing transactions under certain conditions. Interestingly, the latest integration with Chainlink is also expected to aid the Drippy mechanism. So this is something very interesting right there. If you're part of the OP token community, go ahead, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and also leave some bullish comments down below and let people know what you like about the OP, ecosystem. So it's a Curve. In fact, Curve Finance has also submitted a grant proposal to Optimism, according to an Optimism update sent out on the 24th of July. The proposal, which is yet to be approved by Optimism, aims to increase liquidity. This will effectively increase the value of the Optimism network and consequently affect the OP token in a bullish way. We're going to check this out right now. According to the proposal, 1 million OP tokens worth roughly 850,000 will be distributed over the 20 weeks on the Curve pool. The OP tokens will act as incentives to liquidity providers, LPs, on Curve gauge pools on Optimism. Optimism can expect to see an increased bridge assets, largely stablecoins, to the network as LPs seek superior yield opportunities on Curve. Additionally, the increased incentives are expected to attract LPs on Optimism. This will, in turn, stimulate the utility of Optimism pools. I think this is true right here. I think the more exposure, the more networking you do, the more partnerships will help the liquidities absolutely grow. If you guys believe the same thing, go ahead and leave some comments down below and let me know what you guys think. We got the utility will then incentivize VECRB tokens more heavily weight these pools. Finally, with these increasing incentives, Curve expects a growing interest of LPs in Optimism. Meanwhile, the OP token continues to go under as the crypto relief rally takes a major blow. We're going to look at the overall markets in just a sec, but let's check this out. We got Optimism native OP token stood at 77 cents. At the press time, we're a little bit over 80 cents. We'll check that out. The token was the recipient of a big blow during the weekend sell-off and took 11.3% drop since the 25th of July. Whether the proposal is accepted or not, the token still holds a position in the list of badly performing tokens, especially in the current market conditions. And if we look at the current market conditions, this is something that's going on across the board. So I think OP really stands a strong chance. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. This is their website. Obviously, Ethereum scaled. Optimism is a low cost and lightning fast Ethereum layer 2 blockchain, open source, secure, permissionless, and decentralized. That is what a blockchain needs to survive. Very few of them check all the boxes. Ethereum is one of them. A strong foundation determines the long-term success of any endeavor. Join the thriving digital metropolis of decentralized applications that's here to stay. So Optimism's here to stay, and so are the apps that are getting built on it. So now moving over to Optimism's price, we can see that the price is actually up at 81%, or $81 or 81 cents. My bad. And we're down 2.6%, right? But looking at this chart really quick and these new partnerships that are happening, of course, none of this is financial advice. We do see, OP making higher lows, right? We do see that happening. We have the psychological barrier, of course, around that 99 cents mark. It tapped out. If we go to the wick, that was at 95 cents. So we do see the zero down here, right? This is that new zero. We have the setup going up, back down. This would be the breakout. This is where we would chase, going to those all-time highs for sure if we had, that potential. All-time highs are marked at, $2.19. But if we look right here and we just do it at the body of the candle, we could see a breakout to $1.50. So this could be a good opportunity. We see the overall sentiment, people saying, biggest project of the year, the market cap will equal next to Matic. And even Matic has some trouble. It marched all the way up to almost $1 and then started to come back down, even with the partnerships with Disney. So sometimes, you can have big partnerships and huge ambitions, but if the market's not getting that money to come back in, then we just got to wait until this bear market's over. And I believe that Bitcoin did find a bottom. I do believe that the markets will start to pick back up. They just had this huge purge go on. They shook out a lot of people. And we see that Optimism has a huge community of 223,000 followers on their Twitter page. So if you guys can, go ahead and smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video on all social media platforms, and let the OP community know that I'm rocking with them. So I want you guys to continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.